I want to take you on a journey, if you would, into a visit to my office as a divorce attorney. What can you expect? So the process is, of course, you call and make an appointment, and then you come in. When you come into my office, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to talk to you just like this. I'm going to say, tell me what's going on. I want to know what's going on. I kind of want a Reader's Digest version of your life and what's brought you up to the place where you felt it's necessary to contact someone, if it's about divorce or custody or child support, or step-parent adoption. Any one of those issues, you're going to come in and I'm pretty much going to say the same thing to you. Tell me what's going on. Why are you here today? And I'm going to find out. I'm going to listen to you. I want to know what's going on, what your concerns are. A lot of times you may think that you need something and that's why you've come here. But as I listen to it, I may say, well, that's not really what you need here. Here's an alternative. And so I'm here to help you in that. So let's just say it's a divorce, you've come in and I'm going to listen to you and I'm going to find out things like your name, your age, your spouse, what your occupation is. We're going to talk about kids. If you have kids, that's the first thing I usually deal with custody issues is tell me about the kids. What do you want to do with the kids? How do you see this working out in the long run? And a lot of times you have no idea. That's why you're in here. And so I begin to just ask and find out your lifestyle and what's going on and try to help, assess the situation. The next thing I'm going to do is we're going to go over your assets and your debts. I need to know what's happening in your life. Are you in debt? Do you have a lot of credit card debt? Do you have a lot of loans outstanding? Need to know what your assets are. What are we looking for? What I tell my clients, and now I'm telling you, is that it's kind of like breaking up a corporation from a financial standpoint. And so we need to just have all of the assets, all of the debts, and then we need to look and try to equalize, because we are an equitable distribution state, equalize the distribution so that both parties end up with a kind of 50-50 split. That can be done many different ways. In some cases, what we may do is, let's just say that one spouse, he wants his car, the boat, and the motorcycles, and the wife's like, I just want the house. And so, well, we may do that, but what we have to do is we have to have valuations on each one of them. And the process starts right in my office. Usually the first hour that I meet with my client, I can pretty much tell you where we're going to go, because I've been doing this for so many years. So it pays to come in. It pays to find somebody that's been doing family law matters for a long time, because I'll tell you what, I have a feel for it and I listen to you, and that's the most important thing, is what do you want? What is it that's the heart of the matter?